Okay, just got the mixi carry-on, and we're just going to show you some of the features. Let's first show them how it unlocks. So the little clasps or the zipper handles go right down inside there, clip, and then you just flip that and they come out. You can set a combination lock to whatever you want, and then there are ports, and the Suitcase does not come with a charger, but it did come with cords, so you'll have to put a portable charger inside the case, but the cords are pretty easy to find. Okay, do you want to show them the back? Okay, here's something that we really thought was cool. So the handle comes right up. Can you show them how it flips out to hold your phone? Might have to be up a little bit more. Pull it out a click. There you go. Okay. Those two things flip down, and I am filming with a Google Pixel 7, and it fits there perfectly. So if you want to turn your phone sideways and watch a movie or do a video phone call, that would be perfect. Okay, now let's show them something else. Show them how to close those clasps. Perfect. Okay, oh, let's do that again. It was hard to see. Okay, this is the thing that I bought, this part of the reason I bought this Suitcase. Okay, so it's got this built-in cup holder, which would be perfect probably for any to-go Starbucks cup. Any Stanley cup that is bigger, it is not wide enough for that, so this is a small Hydro Flask that fit in there just pretty darn nicely. It's pretty narrow, but perfect for, and you can slide that into your backpack side when you're needing to. Okay. Okay, let's take that out. Can you unzip it? Oh, easy to close. Kylan is 9, so he is showing you how it works. Then to open it, it only has one. It doesn't open. Sorry, collie in the way. It is really pretty deep, and it just has the one zipper. It's got 2 zippers. None of them are wet bags though. However, behind there's a small zipper spot there. And then this part opens up, and that's where the charging cables are. You can see them, that you can hook into your portable charger, or your bank, your power bank, I guess is the right word. Anyway, that is the mixi. It looks to be, how deep would you say that is? Maybe 8 inches?
About a foot, probably.
Oh, you think it's a foot? I think it's between 8 and 10 inches deep. But I think with some packing cubes, I should be able to get enough clothing in there to take to Europe for a week. Anyway, I'm pretty impressed. I'm going to pause this and let him show you how it rolls.
It's hard to do one-handed, so